A 6-year-old boy from Sutton Coldfield has won the legal right to sue for damages following the death of his father in a diving accident. Vincent Warner was 9 months old when his father Lex died 6 years ago. A law which imposes a 2-year time limit on negligence actions prevented Lex's widow from suing. But today, a court ruled that the restriction does not apply to children. Our reporter Emma Thomas has been speaking to the family about their quest for justice.
Justice, the truth.
Two things Lex Warner's widow Debbie has spent 6 years seeking.
It's just shocking. What should have been quite a straightforward process has now taken 6 years, and to me it's like every stop's been pulled out to make sure that the death of my husband's not heard in court.
An experienced diver, 50-year-old Lex, died during a deep-sea dive off Stromness in Orkney in August 2012. It's believed he was injured in a fall on deck before experiencing breathing problems underwater, being airlifted to hospital where he was pronounced dead.
When there's an accident, my understanding is if it can be prevented in the future, everything should be done to prevent it in the future.
The vessel's owner, Scarpa Flow Charters, has to date rejected allegations of negligence. A maritime law known as the Athens Convention sets a 2-year limit for such cases, which has prevented Debbie from suing. But Lex's son Vincent was a baby at the time of the tragedy, so the question of his eligibility to sue reached judges in London today. Well, here at the Supreme Court in London, a unanimous decision this morning made this judgment that Vincent is able to take legal action. He was just 9 months old when his father died and so was legally disabled, meaning he can't be constrained by the 2-year time limit.
I'm really happy because we won.
It should have really happened 6 years ago, and it feels like everything's been done to prevent justice. It's been a tremendous fight, but my husband Lex was worth it, and I'm doing it for my son as well.
The family's journey through the judiciary continues. Their next junction is for young Vincent to sue for damages for a dad he lost to a diving tragedy. Emma Thomas, BBC Midlands Today, London.